Good morning, Primary 5. I am Ms. Hadir, your math teacher. Our new lesson today is the circle. Now we have to know what is the meaning of a circle. Circle is a closed curve. All the points on it having the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is the midpoint of a circle. It's called the center of the circle. If this point is M, so the name of the circle will be M. If this point is A, so the name of this circle will be A. And now we have to know definitions related to the circle. Let's start. You have to know first the radius. What is the meaning of radius, which is denoted by R? Radius is a line segment that joins from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, like that. This point is the center of the circle is A, okay? A, and we have point here is C. AC is called a radius of a circle, and we have here AD is a radius of a circle, and AB is a radius of a circle. We can draw infinite radii of a circle, okay? And all of them having the equal distance. If AC is 2 centimeters, so AD and AB will also be 2 centimeters. If this one 3 centimeters, so it will be 3 centimeters and it will be 3 centimeters. All of them are equal in length. Okay, so now the meaning of radius, it's a line segment that connects from or joins between 2 points, the center of the circle and any point on the circle. Okay? And now we have to know the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Why? Diameter is a line segment connects between 2 points on the circle and passes through the center of the circle. Okay? The diameter is a line segment that joins between 2 points on the circle and passes through the center of the circle, which is M. The diameter here is AB. Okay? We can draw n infinite diameters of the circle, and all of them are equal in length. If AB equals 10 centimeters, so all the diameters of the circle will be 10 centimeters. Like that, we have in the circle, we have AB, CD, EF, GH are the diameters of the circle O, which is the center of the circle. And all the diameters of a circle are equal in length, and we can draw n infinite numbers of diameters in the circle. Okay? And now you have to know the meaning of the chord. What is the meaning of chord? Chord is a line segment like that. Chord is a line segment that joins between 2 points on the circle, but doesn't pass through the center, of the circle, like that. We have here 2 points, B, D. BD is called a chord of a circle. Okay, you have to know that the chords of a circle not equal in length. Next. Here we have to know the relation between diameter and the radius. What is the relation between diameter and the radius? Let's see. We said before the diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Okay, the diameter here is AB. Okay, what is the radius here in the circle? The radius, as we said before, it's a line segment connects from the center to any point on the circle. If the diameter here equal 10 centimeters, so the radius will be 5 centimeters, because here we have MA is a radius and MB is a radius. They are equal in length. If MA 5 centimeters, so MB will be 5 centimeters. So the relation between them, the radius equals half the diameter, and the diameter is twice the radius. We can say that by the rule, diameter equals 2 times radius. Like that. We have here a circle, its diameter 8 centimeters and radius 4 centimeters. The diameter complete, for example complete, the diameter is a chord passing through the, as we said before, the diameter passing through the center. Okay, next one, the diameter length equals 2 times radius, because the diameter is twice radius. If the length of the diameter equals 10 centimeters, then the length of radius on the same circle equal how many centimeters? Equals 5 centimeters, because the radius equals half the diameter. Next, here we have to know that if we have here a circle like that, its center is M, okay? And we put point on the circle like point A. Then I'm asked about this point A. If we put this point on the circle, so this point A equals the radius MA, okay? But if we put point inside the circle like B here, if we put point inside the circle, so this line, which is MB, is less than the radius, which is MA, okay? But if we put point outside the circle like that, for example D, okay? So this line is less than the radius or greater than radius. Of course, this line is greater than the radius. So if this point outside the circle, this line will be greater than the radius. But if it inside the circle, it will be less than the radius. And if this point on the circle, they will be equal, okay? Next, complete. We have here a circle, okay? Here, AB is called what of the circle? AB is passing through the center, so it will be diameter. The next one, CD is called what of the circle? We have here CD, which is the green line. CD here is doesn't passing through the center of the circle, so it will be chord. The next one, EM is called what of the circle? We have here EM. It's a line segment from the center of the circle to point on the circle, so it will be the radius. Excellent. The next one, the point M is called what of the circle? This point is the midpoint of the circle, so it will be the center of the circle. Okay, here I want to know the length of AB equals how many centimeters? AB here is the diameter. Okay, what is the length of AB? We have ME 6 centimeters. ME is a radius, right? Of course, ME 6 centimeters is a radius. So we said before the relation between diameter and the radius. The diameter is twice the radius. So the radius here is 6 centimeters, so the diameter will be 6 multiplied 2 equals 12 centimeters. Next, complete. The line segment that joins between any 2 points on the circle is called a line segment. Join between 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Next one, if the length of radius equal 4 centimeters, then the length of the longest chord, what is the longest chord? That is the diameter. It will be 8 centimeters, yes. The last one, if the point B is located inside the circle M, okay, then MB will be less than or greater than the radius. We said before, if the point located inside the circle, so it will be less than the radius, as we said before here. Here, this point inside the circle. So this line is less than the radius or greater than the radius. Of course, it's less than the radius. Next, if M is a circle with diameter 8 and MA equals 7 centimeters, the point A is located here outside or inside the circle. We said before the diameter is 8, so the radius will be 4 centimeters. And this point, which is MA equals 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters is greater than 4 centimeters, which is the radius. So this point will located outside the circle. Number 2, in the opposite figure, M and N are 2 circles. Then the length of MN equals how many centimeters? We have here 2 circles, so we have 2 radius. We have here 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters, and we know that all radii are equal in length. So it will be MN will be 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters equals 9 centimeters. The last one, a chord which passes through the center of the circle. A chord which passes through of the center is called a diameter. And now we have finished our lesson, and thank you for listening me. Bye bye.